Alright, this is a little cooking video I put together on New Year's Day of a meal I cooked that turned out, man, excellent. I wanted to share it with you, so let's get started. Now, I didn't really have a recipe when I started. I knew what I wanted to do. I just didn't know how to get there. So you're going to follow along. I'll try and explain as best I can as to what took place. This is going to be black-eyed peas and ham hock with collard greens. And let's get into it now. Most people will tell you to soak your peas overnight. I didn't do that. I waited to the last minute. I soaked them for about 2 hours. They soaked up a lot of water, softened them up. I put them in a pot. Also took some pork chops out. Now these are pork chops I purchased at the local grocery store. Pretty cheap, but very good, very tasty. For the pork chops, I took a dry rub, Stubbs pork dry rub. Rub it into the meat, let it sit for a couple hours, let it marinate in that. Get your oven warmed up to about 250 degrees. Cover the pork chops with foil. While the oven is preheating, I chopped up some garlic, got it nice and minced, chopped some white onion, chopped about half of it pretty fine, left the other half coarse. Collard greens, chopped them up, not too small, fairly good size. You want good chunks of collard greens in there. You want it to be able to see the green. Take some of the fine chopped onions and saute them up in some olive oil, extra virgin. Take the chopped collard greens. I put them in the pan with the onions sauteed in the olive oil. Added some water to help steam the collard greens. Cook them down real good. The peas you put in a pot. Pretty simple. About a cup of peas or so, and 4 cups of water. Bring it to a boil. Add some black pepper. Add the coarse onion to the mix, and drop your smoked ham hock in there. Also drop in your collard greens and sauteed onion, and just let them cook. Pork chops. It's been a couple hours they've been marinating. Put them in the oven at 250 degrees. Let them cook for a while. I didn't really time this, so you have to play it by ear on your own. Just let them cook. At the end of the cooking for the pork chops, I took the aluminum foil off the pork chops with about a half hour left to cook. I let them cook at 300 degrees there for a while to make sure they get up to temperature and get kind of a good brown on there. You want those pork chops to sit covered for a while, let them kind of cool down, let the juices get back into it while you're mixing up some cornbread, your favorite cornbread, whatever that might be. And here you can see it plated. Man, it looks good. It tastes excellent. Very good. I mean, I surprised myself on this one. It turned out excellent. You're going to love it any time of the year. It doesn't have to be just on New Year's Day. Any time of the year. You're going to work. Good comfort food. Very, very tasty. Thank you for watching.